Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we'll explore how to use the Contour Segment Wayline available in the Wayline Assistant package. A contour segment wayline offers farmers the flexibility to use a combination of straight lines along field boundaries. To begin, once you've defined the field boundary, tap the Create button from the side menu on the map screen. Then, click on Create Wayline from the submenu. Finally, select Contour Segment. Next, click on Maximum Segment Quantity to set the number of segments to be generated from the boundary. While a maximum of 20 segments is allowed, it's often beneficial to match the number of segments to the number of field borders. In this example, we'll use 4 segments. Turn on the Improve Segment Layout option to round the corners between segments, enhancing maneuverability within the field. Click on Auto to automatically offset segments from the borders by half the implement width, further improving the layout. Tap OK to name and save the contour segment generated from the boundary. From now on, the system will propose the adapted wayline according to the tractor's heading and the boundary segment you're working alongside. There are a few additional adjustments you can make. Open the top banner shortcut by pressing and holding the line number display. Open the segment management page by clicking on the first button. This page displays on the left all segments extracted from the field boundary. You can visualize each segment on the right. From here, you can create a new segment from existing waylines by clicking the plus button. Select the desired wayline you want to use as a segment. Click OK to validate the selection. You'll see that the selected wayline is now available as segments. Continuing in this menu, you can delete one or multiple segments, modify a segment name, add or remove the auto offset option, merge 2 segments by clicking on this button, selecting the segments you want to merge, choosing the merging strategy by clicking on this button, see the result on the display, and validate by clicking OK. You'll see the new single segment and its new shape. Finally, you can define a preferred segment, which you can lock if needed. Finish and save by clicking OK. As explained earlier, if you wish, you can lock the system on your favorite segment or the currently selected segment. Open the top banner shortcut by pressing and holding the line number display. Click on the first button to lock the favorite segment defined previously. Click on the second button to lock the currently selected segment. From then on, the system is locked and the wayline will not change, regardless of the tractor's heading. You are now ready to fully enjoy this feature in the field. It's your turn to try.